Well, what it now means is that the mayor of the city of Detroit can breathe a bit easier now that this document has essentially been thrown out of court, dismissed here in Mason this morning. This, of course, was the barrier. This document was the barrier to the city getting some $80 million in revenue sharing. As the state of Michigan says that as long as this lawsuit was in place and in play, that they essentially might withhold that money because they wanted it out of the way. It was going to be a barrier to getting the money on Wall Street. Judge William Collette just listened to 3 lawyers this morning over a period of 30 minutes and came to the decision that this lawsuit should be tossed out. You'll hear now from a lawyer who represented the mayor of the city of Detroit, who arrived here on an emergency basis first thing this morning, essentially to argue that this item be tossed out.
This is a serious decision today with respect to the financial management of the city. There was a need for immediate action by the court. The judge understood that. Financially, the stabilization agreement with the city, between the city and the state, was an essential agreement to go forward and to continue to address the financial issues involving the city, and this allows that agreement to continue in effect.
I didn't have an opportunity to brief any of that. I did the best I could on my feet, and the judge ruled, and they can do that. I mean, it's a question of law, all right? He ruled as a matter of law, I presume.
That second clearly disappointed lawyer you just heard from represents the Corporation Counsel, essentially the city's lawyer. Clearly, they were hoping for some clarification. That's why they came to court with this document in the first place, hoping the judge would help everyone understand the real power of the city charter and the Corporation Counsel to file lawsuits like this without the mayor's permission. Well, he decided for the mayor, and now they feel they can go forward, both the state and the city, to get the finance deal done. Reporting live in Mason, Bill Proctor, 7 Action News.